Django and Flask, two popular Python web frameworks, each with their own strengths and characteristics. Let's dive into the differences between Django and Flask and find out which one suits your project best. Django, known for its batteries-included approach, offers a robust and comprehensive framework for building complex web applications. It provides a ready-to-use admin interface, authentication, and a powerful ORM for interacting with databases. With Django, you can quickly prototype and build large-scale applications, thanks to its integrated features and conventions. Its batteries-included philosophy can save you time and effort in setting up common web development functionalities. On the other hand, Flask takes a more minimalist approach. It provides a lightweight framework that allows you to have more control and flexibility over your application. Flask is often referred to as a micro-framework, as it provides only the essentials, allowing you to choose the tools and libraries you need. Flask is perfect for smaller projects or when you want to have fine-grained control over every aspect of your application. Its simplicity and flexibility make it a popular choice among developers who want to keep their codebase minimal and lightweight. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on the nature and requirements of your project. If you're looking for a comprehensive and opinionated framework that takes care of many common tasks, Django might be your best bet. However, if you prefer a lightweight and flexible framework that gives you more control, Flask could be the way to go. Ultimately, both Django and Flask are powerful tools in the Python web development ecosystem. Whether you choose Django or Flask, you'll have a solid foundation to build your web applications. Remember, the best framework is the one that suits your project's needs and aligns with your development style. Happy coding!